And I want you to imagine that we're going on a journey to the past. And now you, in your present age, you're going back to the past and you're standing for your childhood home. And you're looking around you. And all the people that were there in your childhood walking up and down the street are still there. All the old cars, maybe horses, are still there. And very soon, we are going to enter your childhood house as invisible guests. Nobody can see us. And as we walk to the door, we are standing now in the main room of your childhood house. Look around you. See what you see. Maybe some old furniture, some old pictures. And when you are in this house, you listen. Maybe it's a noisy house, or a quiet house, or a totally silent house. And you take a deep breath, and you might even smell some of the smells of the house. And as you see what you see, you hear what you hear, you feel what you feel. And now as you keep walking around the house, somewhere in this house, you see your mother. Look at her. She looks exactly the way she looked when you were a child. Look what she is doing. Look what clothes she is wearing. And when you look at the face and the eyes of your mother, you know how your mother was feeling in this house. And now you take another deep breath. You keep walking around the house. Somewhere in the house, you see your father. What is he doing? What clothes he is wearing? Look at the face and the eyes of your father. You know how he was feeling in this house. And as you keep walking around, maybe it's a brother or a sister, or a pet, or a grandparent living with you. As you keep looking around, somewhere in this house, suddenly you see a little child. You approach this child. Look at this child. Because this child is the little you. Look very carefully at this child. See what clothes the child is wearing. Look at the face of this child, the eyes of this child. See what you see in the eyes of this child. And this little child is the only person in this house that can actually see you. And you take the child by the hand and you walk with the child to the childhood room. And you see this child on the childhood bed. You look around this room. Is it a happy room? Is it a sad room? Any toys? Any books? And you sit in front of this little child and you look at the child's eyes. You know how this child is feeling. Maybe you like to say something to this child. Something that you want to, the child always want to hear, but maybe never heard. And keep talking to the child. And now you can listen to the child. Maybe this child wants to say to you something. Something this child always wants to tell you, but never said. Maybe this child wants to ask you something. Something this child always want to ask, but never ask. Maybe this child wants to show you something. Some always want to show, but never show. And as you listen to the child, you're going to give child, what I want you to do next, I want you to take this child in your arms and hold this child. And when you hold this child and you look in the face and the eyes of this child that you're holding, I want you now to become this child. And you feel in the arms of your adult self all around you, holding you so close. And you feel what you feel. You just take a deep breath and allow yourself to feel it. And now you become adult self again. You take the child by the hand and decide to take the child outside this house. You walk through the living room, out of the street, and from there you go to a child to a very special place. It can be a place that you know, or maybe a magic place, maybe a place of your dreams. And as you sit there with the little child, you spend some time with the child. And maybe you want to give this child a hug, a kind of hug that maybe this child always want to get, but maybe never got. And as you hold this child in your arms and give the child a hug, something magic is happening. This child becomes part of you. It becomes the inside of you. And from now on, whenever you have thoughts or feelings that are not comfortable for you, you know that it's not you who have those thoughts or feelings, but it's little child inside you. And all you have to do is to close your eyes, look inside the face, the eyes of this child, tell this child what this child needs to hear, because you are the only person that knows, and give this child a hug. Because from now on, you're becoming a father and a mother to this child, a kind of mother-father that this child always wanted to have, but maybe never had. You can become a brother and a sister to this child, a kind of brother and sister the child always wanted to have, but never had. You can even become a friend to this child, a kind of friend this child always wanted to have, but never had. Because now you know, it's never too late to have a happy childhood. You can start now. Thank you.